What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, here with Chris from JVC.
Hello again.
We got something super geeky for you today.
And we're getting blinded.
And we're getting blinded by 20-200 lumens.
Yes, we are.
We're going to be discussing Frame Adapt HDR. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. All right, let's get into it.
Thank you, Zach. So what we want to talk about is JVC has this cool new feature called Frame Adapt HDR. If you have a JVC projector, I want you to turn on the menu. I want you to go to that I tab. That's the info tab. That's the far right tab on the menu. I want you to look at software version and check if you see V3.10. Okay? If you see 3.10 or possibly in the future something a little bit higher, you're fine. If you see 2 dot something or lower, I want you to go to the JVC website, www.jvc.com or pro.jvc.com. I want you to find the software firmware update page, and I want you to look for the new JVC firmware. You're going to put it on a flash drive. You're going to plug it into the back of the projector. When you do that, you find the software update in the menu. It's going to tell you how long it'll take. Usually it's about 20 minutes. We've got a separate video on just how to do that. When you come back, you're going to see that you have this cool new picture mode called Frame Adapt HDR. This is the first projector with dynamic tone mapping. You've heard us talk in the past about metadata. This is a little bit different. It is measuring the video live and in real time, and it can do it either frame by frame or scene by scene. I like frame by frame. I find it reacts a little quicker, but I still never, it doesn't have any artifacts. I don't see it reacting, but it's measuring the 4K HDR video, and as the brightness of the video changes, either frame by frame or scene by scene, it is making all the picture adjustments for you so you can just sit back and watch. Why is this important? Because Hollywood doesn't have a standard. Some movies can be as low as 181 nits. Other movies can be as high as 9,919 nits. From 181 to 9,919, that's a huge change. And as you might imagine, that requires different picture settings to get the optimal results. Well, JVC is measuring that video and making those changes for you. The other thing that I really like is that this happens automatically whenever it sees a 4K signal. So I go to HDR setting here. Whenever it sees an HDR10 signal, it can be programmed to whichever picture mode you want. The default is Frame Adapt HDR, and that's fine. For most people, you can just leave it there. Okay? So anytime it sees an HDR10 signal, and this includes Dolby Vision. If you have something like an Apple TV and you want to watch a title with Dolby Vision, you do not need to change your picture settings. All you have to do, hit play, enjoy the movie. That's the beauty of JVC.
All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision or setting up the JVC that you just bought from us. If you are a new customer and you would like to purchase this product, make sure to give us a call. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed. Really appreciate y'all's support. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Give Chris a big thumbs up. He's been powering through all day for you guys. And subscribe down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater and Chris with JVC. Thanks for watching, guys.